guys, like you know, previously we started our new series about the machine learning, and in today's machine learning video, I am telling about the Google chart. If you don't know what a Google chart, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. What a Google chart? Like in the previous video of machine learning, I told you about the properties. In today's video, I am telling about the chart, Google chart. So like this video, share our friends, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss our future latest videos. So now I do not take it on time, so let's move to computer screen. Let's learn about what a Google chart in the machine learning. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's machine learning video, I am telling you about a Google chart. So let's learn about what a Google chart in the machine learning. So let's learn about it. From a simple line chart to complex hierarchical tree maps, the Google chart gallery provides a large number of ready-to-use chart types like scatter chart, like line chart, like bar/column chart, area chart, pie chart, donut chart, org chart, and map/geo chart. These charts, okay? How to use Google chart? If you don't know how to use the Google chart, let me tell you. To use the Google chart in your web page, add a link to the charts loader using this. Okay, this one syntax. In the example, we are used to use the Google chart in the web page, and we are add one link to the charts loader. So how you can do it? You can go on your Google. Come here and then remove it. Create a REPL by the name of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Create REPL. So then your REPL will be made very successfully. Yes. Then in this REPL, what you can do? Let me tell you. You will take a little bit loading, but it will be open it. When it will be open it, you will be add this link which I am adding here. Then add this whole thing. Remove this whole thing now. When you will remove it, so let me tell you what you can do. Come here. Google chart is easy to use. Just add a div element to display the chart. It is very easy to use. So you can add a div ID chart like that. So now, then what you can do? The div element must have a unique ID. The load Google Graph API. First, load the visualization API and code chart package. Number 2, set a callback function to call when the API is loaded. Number 1, google.charts.load current packages like that. That's all. Line graph. Meters in millions, like this one line graph, like price 50, size 7, 68, like price, like that is coming. This one source code. Copy the source code. Come on Google. Search here script. Write this code here. Copy it. Paste it. Or take error in this code. Give me complete code with output. It is not giving me such type of, it not giving me any error, but I am just asking him to see what is the error. Insert it, then run it from here, reload it. So then when you reload it, so it gives you the output. It's loading your page. Now it gives me the output like that. Here you can see it. It gives me the output like square meters, like house prices versus size, like that. Here you can see it. 180 size, like it is giving like that. Here you can see it. Now, scatter plots. To the scatter plot, the same data change Google.visualization to scatter chart. This one example of the scatter chart. What you can do, you copy that and go on to the Google, and then what you can do, simply as paste this. Now, this one price in the house prices versus size, master price in millions, like this one price and sizes. Here you can see it. Bar charts. Worldwide production. Country Italy MHL 55, France 49, Spain 44, USA 24, Argentina 15, like that. This one example of the bar chart. In this example, we are making one bar chart. Okay. Let me paste this, copy it, paste it. What is error in this code? give me complete code with output. That will be start to solving the problem. But in this example, there is not such type of error, but I am just asking him. So then you will be run it. So how you can run it? You can reload it from here. Then it give you the output like, it take a little bit loading, but it give you the output like worldwide production, like Italy has mini 55, France has 45, Spain has 44, then USA have 24, then Argentina has 15, and like that it's give me the worldwide wine production. Here you can see it. Pie chart. To convert a bar chart into the pie chart, just replace google.visualization.bar chart with google.visualization.pie chart. Like that, here you can see it. Like that you can do it. You only paste this code here. Then it will be replaced with the my chart, and when you reload it from here, so then it give you this type of output. It not giving any output because it has been replaced with the my chart, sorry, pie chart. World wine production, like I have shown you, and 3D pie. To display the 3D, display the pie in 3D, just add this in 3D true to the options. Just you can add this only. So how you can add it? You can paste it like here. Now while and then like that you can do it. So when you go here, copy it, and when you paste it and say what is error in this code, give me complete code with an output. Okay, then when I say it, so then it will start to giving me the solution, and then when we reload it, so then it give you the output successfully. Yes, let me show you. It give me the output like that. Here you can see it. Like Italy 55, and France, then Spain, then USA, and like Argentina, like that. Here you can see it. So like you can do it very easily, yes, and using the JavaScript codes. So here you can see it. In today's video of the machine learning, I told you about what are Google charts. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit a like button, share with friends, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss our future latest videos. But for today, goodbye.